How would you like to earn $245,000 in a month? It's a scam, isn't it? It sounds like a scam for sure, but it's not. And in today's video, we're going to break down this whole concept and I'm going to share everything with you and how you can do this yourself and what you need to do. And by the end of the video, hopefully you'll leave this with some inspiration, you'll leave it with guidance, and you'll know how to do this method yourself, okay? So let's dive into it. So, doing a bit of research, I came across this article over here. This is over on CNBC. It's on the Make It section. I made 245 grand in a single month. Sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? I mean, even to a lot of people, earning that amount of money in a year is a lot. Never mind in a month. So, what was this person doing? Are they, doing something illegal? Are they, doing OnlyFans? Something ridiculous like that? No. He now runs a 1.5 million business, which may seem intimidating. What is this wonderful business? So let's scroll down. This over here is Charlie Chan. Scroll down here. Now let's have a look. What did he do? Let's come a bit further down here. I finally found something that worked, posting financial advice on YouTube. So basically, let me show you this. So he started sharing content on YouTube. Now, when did he start doing this properly? This was in 2018. So fast forward to today, 5 years later from when he started that. This over here, this is not his channel. Where's his channel gone? His channel is this one over here. So you can see on here, this is what he shares content around: personal finance, entrepreneurship, and investing. And if I click on videos, you can see these are his latest videos. So the reason you are still broke, how to build an Etsy shop, I wasted my life. What's he got over here? ChatGPT. And if you look at these, what's he doing? He's just talking over the camera, just talking over the video screen, like I'm doing here. How to make a website using ChatGPT. How to build wealth. So you see here, these sorts of videos that he's doing, and even this video that I'm doing myself, they're not hard to do this by any stretch of the imagination. You don't even have to be on camera if you don't want. You can just show your screen. But let's come back over here, okay? So how has he built YouTube into a 1.5 million per year business? Well, it's not hard. Scroll down here, I'll show you what he did. So let's come down here. He focused on building multiple income streams. This here, multiple income streams. And with YouTube, you can build multiple income streams from one video. And even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers, you can still be earning money. I know this because I've shared case studies with the university about this, and I also have multiple YouTube channels where I'm earning a passive income from them. And I've got nowhere near the amount of subscribers that Charlie's got over here, 946. But to be honest with you, this over here, this is just a vanity thing in being absolutely honest, open, honest about it. People focus about, getting 50,000 subscribers or getting 100,000 and things like this. You don't need to, absolutely not. As long as you're creating content regularly, don't worry about the subscribers. They will come at a later date. And once you get to a certain point, it doesn't really matter, to be honest. So if we come down here, how does he make money? Well, number one, affiliate marketing. 40% of his income comes from sharing about products in his videos, okay? And then he talks about different affiliate networks. So affiliate marketing makes up 40% of his income. Scroll further down. Brand sponsorships, 25% of his income. Come further down the page here. Then we've got YouTube ads. So those are annoying YouTube ads. And then he's got online course sales. And then finally down here, he has got coaching, okay? So his main income from his YouTube account is, we have got online courses, YouTube ad revenue, brand sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. So how can you do this yourself? Because genuinely, in terms of this method we are looking at today, it just comes down to a few things. It comes down to time, effort, and consistency. And that is it, okay? So what was at step one? Well, if we scroll up here, I'll show you what step one will be. So where's it gone? It's basically deciding on a category or a niche. So this person here, where has it gone? He is focused on personal finance, okay? So that is his content, what he's based it all around. It's his niche. But you can do this around anything. It can be something you have an interest in. It can be your hobbies, your skills, something that you are knowledgeable about. Step one is decide on a niche or a category, okay? Once you've done that, then you can go ahead and start thinking of some different video ideas. And here's a cool thing, okay? You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You can go onto YouTube and find people who are all, because there'll already be someone creating content around what you're thinking of. That's 100%, going to happen, and it shouldn't put you off. It should inspire you because it shows that there is people online. It shows there's a market for it, and as I've mentioned, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. So if you was going into personal finance or entrepreneurship or investing, you can come over to Charlie's channel here and other similar creators, look at their content, and then start to create your own. And what I always say to people is, when you're coming up with a YouTube channel, start with 3 different channels, okay? Find 3 people in your niche. Go through, look at their videos, see what's working well for them, see the type of content they're doing. You can also come over here onto their videos and click on popular. And you will see what is the most popular content. So my 12 sources of income. This over here, how to invest in stocks, how to invest in crypto, business ideas, how to sell on Amazon, make money with NFTs. So you can start to get some ideas for these different videos and the different content that you could start creating, your own videos around. Once you've gone ahead and you've decided on your content, you've decided on the channels which you're going to, focus on, and you're going to create similar content to them, then you'd need to find an affiliate product. And what that means is you don't need to be messaging people or, saying DM me and all that nonsense. You don't. All you need to do is you can either create a review about the product inside of here. So what that means is in your YouTube video, you talk about the product or you share inside of the product. And then what you can do is, I'll show you this really quickly. You can come down here and you will see, if I click on here, look. So you see this here, look, get 4 free stocks on Webull. This here is an affiliate link. This over here is an affiliate link. I think you get the idea. Affiliate link. These are all affiliate links. Let me pause this. So they're all affiliate links. If we scroll further on the page, if it's doing this as well, it's not. But a lot of times what you do is you'd go ahead and you would put a comment here with your affiliate link, and you would pin that comment to the top. So everyone who's, watches the video and comes to the comment section over here, they can see your affiliate link. Now, the cool thing about, becoming an affiliate, you can do this for any company. Pretty much, I'd say 90% of online companies have an affiliate program. And you could even take it a step further, like what Charlie's done over here. So what's he got down here? Where is it? He's got online courses. What has he got on here? Look, so he's created his own 6-figure YouTube academy. These courses take months of planning, research, and filming. But basically, here's the cool thing about creating an online course, okay? You can go ahead, create this course, and it becomes semi-passive. So instead of just focusing on affiliate marketing, you could create your own course about something you have an interest in, and then you could be making money that way. But I've just remembered I've jumped ahead from affiliate marketing. So in terms of the affiliate marketing, where can you find products that you can become an affiliate for? Well, anywhere basically. You can become an affiliate with Amazon. You can become an affiliate with eBay, Etsy. They are huge networks. So let me show you this one over here. So an example of an affiliate network would be ShareASale, okay? So like over on ShareASale, you can see it's an affiliate marketing network. So on a network, you can see on here, there's 25,000 merchants on here. So you can find lots of different companies all in one platform like this, and you can get your affiliate links all in one place. So in this one here, ShareASale, look, you can get a link for Etsy, you can get a link for Reebok, you can get a link for Honey. Come across here, what else have we got? We have got Nectar, NBC Universal, I don't even know that, to be honest. But you can see on here, there's lots of companies on here, and you can become an affiliate for them. And what that means is you get given your own link like this, and you can put it down here. And if somebody, clicks on that link and goes and buys a product, or starts a free software, or starts, a trial for a product, or buys a hat or a cap or a cup or anything, you can earn an affiliate commission for it. It's pretty straightforward. Then, as I've mentioned, you can expand that, and you can also start to create your own products. And it doesn't have to be something like this over here, like a course to start with. You could do something like an ebook, and you could sell that ebook for, blimey, ebooks, you can sell them from anywhere on the lower end from like $5. I saw someone the other day selling an ebook for $400. That's a bit extreme, but normally around the $20 to $30 mark, you can go ahead and create an ebook for it. And let's have a look how much Charlie's selling his course for. Let's have a look. So if I was to go ahead and buy this now, it costs $197, and Charlie would go ahead and get that money pretty much instantly from me because he's created it and this is all automated. So that is another way how you can also, from just one YouTube video, be earning an income stream in multiple ways. Coaching, personally, I wouldn't focus too much on that because it's an active income. You've got to be very active with this. We've got brand sponsorships over here. So look, I also work with agencies like Space Station to secure more sponsorships. So if you come over here, defining influencer marketing, there are huge platforms like this where there are brands looking to work with online creators, content creators. And you can see on here, here's some of the different brands going across the bottom. So you can work with them. But the whole thing about this and why, I love seeing articles like this and also, people who are just taking action is over time, it can build out into something bigger and better than you ever imagined. I mean, when he first started this channel, it says here in 2018, I'm sure if you'd have said to Charlie back then, in 5 years from now, Charlie, you will be running a 1.5 million business, he'd have probably laughed at you. Maybe you're watching this and you think it's not realistic. But this over here is just one example. There are thousands of content creators on YouTube in different categories, in different niches, who are making a hell of a lot of money from putting videos over onto YouTube. And this is something that we cover a lot inside of the university over here. We focus on building multiple streams of income. And we'll go through this, we'll show you how to, pick a niche mindset. But a YouTube one video can earn you money with this up here. You can earn money from affiliate marketing. You can earn money from YouTube AdSense. You can go ahead and create your own products around this. So like this down here, creating a profitable course, you can do this as well in time. You can go into e-commerce. There's lots of different ways you can do this. And you see this down here, I've just highlighted this on the screen. This $7,812 case study, this here, inside of the university, I shared a case study with the members about how one video on YouTube, which was 11 minutes from memory, has earned to date, well here, it was 7,000, I think it was 7,600 when we did the case study. Since then, it's up to about $8,200 now. And that's from one YouTube video. I'm earning money with affiliate marketing and I'm also earning money with YouTube AdSense from that method. So look, that's today's video. I mean, what do you think of it? Do you think, this amount of money is even possible or achievable? Because it is, but, many people don't believe it. So look, if you have any comments or questions, let me know. As always, thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon.